Hey editor, I want to quickly address something that has come up a lot behind the scenes. If you're outside the US, you may have tried to enroll in Elite Editor Academy and noticed that payment plan options didn't work in your country. That's simply a platform limitation, not a lack of eligibility or interest. Because of that, I've quietly opened a manual installment option for international editors who are serious about joining but can't access Klarna or Afterpay. This option provides full access to Elite Editor Academy and allows you to split the investment across multiple monthly payments. Because it's handled manually and doesn't use third-party protection, the total cost is higher than pay in full. This exists for one reason only: to remove geography as the thing holding back editors who are already committed. If you're comfortable, if you're comfortable, what the, if you're comfortable, oh my gosh. If you're comfortable paying in full, that will always be the best value. But if payment timing is the only thing stopping you, this option is now available. If you'd like details, just email josh@editoracademy.com and include number 1, your country, and number 2, whether you prefer 3 or 4 monthly payments, and I will personally send you the next step. Y'all have a good one.